This tutorial will guide you through two Drooms AI tools: auto-allocation, which organises files into relevant folders, and auto-naming, which suggests accurate names for your documents. If your data room includes the auto-naming and auto-allocation features, a pop-up will appear when you access it, and a corresponding button will be visible at the top. Click it to access the settings. To enable auto-document naming, click the toggle button. Then, choose from 3 language models: English, German, or French. Each language offers 2 naming structures. Select the one that best suits your needs. A confirmation box will appear. Click Confirm to proceed, and auto-naming will be activated. Before uploading documents with the auto-allocation tool, ensure your data room has an index set up. You can do this manually or by uploading a predefined index structure. Click the auto-allocation bar at the bottom to open the panel. To upload documents to your data room, simply select the files you want to upload by clicking on Select Files or Select Folder. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the documents directly into the designated area. Select the documents you want to upload to your data room. Then click Upload. Our AI will then get to work and the auto-allocation process will begin. After the process is complete, clicking on a specific document will show you the index point to which it has been allocated. You can accept or reject the suggested location using the toggle buttons. You'll also see the suggested name for the document. If you're satisfied, click Apply. At the bottom panel, you can toggle the switch in the auto-naming column to enable or disable suggested names for each document. Use the preview icon to open and review the document's content. Click the edit icon to manually adjust the suggested name if needed. Use the accept or reject icon to apply the suggested name or keep the original name, respectively. For efficiency, you can confirm or reject all suggested names at once by using the Confirm All or Reject All button at the top right. A confirmation box will appear. Confirm the desired action to proceed. For any files that couldn't be allocated, the system will provide an explanation. You can review these files and choose to revise or delete them. Now you're ready to work efficiently on your project using Drooms AI tools. For more help, contact our team through our website.